Hello there, it's Halo with the Armageddon Report, taking a look at tropical storms / hurricanes, if there were any, of which there aren't. So, right now we've got 60% and I believe a 10%. We'll click on that so we can actually tell 60% and a 10%. So we might actually, again, be seeing Tropical Storm Carlotta soon-ish, or Tropical Depression 3E, I think might be the name of the next one if it does not reach tropical storm status. But again, in the Atlantic, for as long as hurricane season has been going on in 2012 for the Atlantic, absolutely nothing has been going on. But in severe thunderstorm-related weather, there is stuff going on. We've got a slight risk up here for Montana, North Dakota, and South Dakota. And then Colorado, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, and New Mexico with slight risk down there. We've got one mesoscale discussion in effect currently. Increasing risk for severe storms by 20 to 22 Zulu, watch possible. And it's at 60%, and that would be 3 p.m. Central to 5 p.m. Central. So potential watch coming up. Here is the wind map, where you can see there are 3 different risk areas today. So your slight risk apparently is going to be hail. Yeah, for hail, it's connected. It's one contiguous block, continuous, whatever the word is. Because otherwise, you know, it wouldn't look like that here. There would be a gap. But since there's hail. But anyway, so there's your slight risk area for hail, a slight risk area up there. Tornado is just 2%, so just this area. And then mainly South Dakota today. Almost the entirety of South Dakota today. But however, that would mean any random point in the green area, there is a 2% chance that that point or someone within 25 miles of them will see a tornado today. So both, you know, statistically, climatologically speaking, it's a high risk. But compared to like the 45% of tornado outbreak type days, it's kind of a low number. But anyway, tomorrow, we've got a slight risk again. Nebraska, Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin, South Dakota. And here's the specific probability map where a whole bunch more states are affected by a 5%. Day after tomorrow, the confusing thing again where it says no thunderstorm areas are forecast. However, if you look at the probability map, 5% chance going on for several different states. And I believe yesterday's outlook, this one, was also a 5%. So, you know, we might see day after tomorrow's outlook get upgraded as well, who knows. Days 4 through 8, the medium range, predictability too low. So, there is severe thunderstorms on the horizon, time-wise, but timing and location is uncertain at this point, so the Storm Prediction Center has not put any areas on the map. However, if you want to read a whole bunch of, you know, consensus of guidance, yes, you can read that yourself to find out where there may or may not be severe weather in days 4 through 8. Right, but today, you should absolutely pay attention if you're in one of these areas. WickedWix is WICKEDWX.com. And cyclocane is the combination of the words cyclone and hurricane, right? And then, of course, if you'd like to watch the severe weather outlooks, you know, when I remember to actually update the site, because sometimes I let this one slide for a couple of days. Anyway, severeweathertv.com has the daily outlooks as well as the archived ones, if you want to see, you know, stuff was going on before, as well as fun little links down here to go get more information on stuff. Yes! So anyway, that's it for today. Enjoy, what is this? Mittwoch, onsdag. No, I don't remember the Irish for it. You know, I can only hold so many words in my head at any one time before they start pushing other words out. Anyway, enjoy whatever today is.